Good evening. In this video, we're going to discuss about information retrieval techniques, CSE 80980. Myself, V. Sharmila, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science in R.M.D.E. Engineering College. In this video, we're going to discuss about what is the relevance feedback and query explanation. In the relevance feedback, in the sense, the process of query modification commonly referred as relevance feedback. So here, the query is nothing but the user giving in the web engine what are the different content you want to search in the document repository that is given as a query. The process of query modification, each and every time the query is modified using the stopping the stem by stemming word, stopping the commas, full stop, and what is the irrelevant word, spelling mistake, everything is corrected. After that, the relevant query is given to the web engine. The relevant feedback is split into two approaches. One is explicit feedback, another one is implicit feedback. First, we'll discuss what is explicit feedback with one example. The explicit feedback, in which the information for the query is reformulation is provided directly by the user. So explicit feedback is we are reforming the query by the user. We can provide directly reformation for the query. That is explicit feedback. Implicit feedback is, we're going to explain implicit feedback, in which the information for the query reformulation is implicitly derived by the system. The system only gives suggestion. The system only reframe the query. That is called as implicit feedback. Example for the explicit relevant feedback is the query is given. The retrieval engine starts working to search the result. If the result is given, judgment is given to the user. The feedback is taken from the user. The feedback is taken from the user. What the feedback is given, the query is updated. The updated query, the reformed query, again given to the retrieve engine, again result taken, again the judgment is given, again the feedback is taken, again the query is reframed, again the query is given to the retrieval engine. This is a cyclic process done by the explicit relevant feedback by the user. Okay, in which the information for the query in reformulation is provided directly by the user. Next example is given for the implicit feedback. Implicit feedback is nothing but in which the information for the query reformulation is implicitly derived by the system. So here the implicit feedback, users are often reluctant to provide a relevance judgment. Some searches are precision oriented. They are lazy. Can we gather feedback without requiring the user to do anything? The idea is gather feedback from the observed user behavior. So that is the implicit feedback example. So this is an example relevance for the real system. Google used it to provide a such function, relevant or irrelevant. That is a feedback. The green color symbol is given. So implicit feedback is local and global analysis. So here the local analysis, top result, clustering of resume. Global analysis, external treasure, intra-document similarities, document collection. So here, what we have discussed in this video is about two feedback method, explicit feedback, implicit feedback. Once again, I will repeat, explicit feedback is nothing but reformulation is provided directly by the user. Implicit feedback is information for query reformulation is implicitly derived by the system. Okay, I hope you understand what is implicit feedback and explicit feedback. Thank you.